All right, so watch out now. You have a thing called simultaneous equation, see? No, all right. Why do you come Sunday one party? Yeah, Frenchmen. Never about the party there? No, Frenchmen. I 11 grand forgot a party there. So me and my brethren them rolling at the party, see? I see a girl, and I see a next girl. The first girl tall, the next girl short. But me like the two of them. Obviously, height is not what me like. One have locks, one mixed with cream. Like the two of them. Obviously, hairstyle is not what me like. One have tall hair, one have short hair. One black, one brown. So none of those things is what me like. The two of them smart. So obviously, smart is what me like. You see? So simultaneously, the two of them have one variable that match the two of them, and I like that variable. You see? And the two of them are bubble, wicked toast are bubbling is what me like. You understand? In a maths, at the same way, you have two numbers we can satisfy two different things. You get me? But there's one thing we're constant within them. You agree? So what simultaneous equation do is to find out what is the constant between the two girls them, or in your case, the two equations them. Are you understanding what I'm saying? You understand? Simple. So in my case, the smartness and the dancing are the variables that have the two of them have. Everything else being different, those two things is what I like. Are you understanding? So if you don't left school and dance, no man not go want no. Worse are the man them, no girl not go want to no. Because now can't afford car and something, and have to take bus go show. Nobody no want to take bus go show when at 35. Not true? You want to take bus when you're 35? You want to take bus when you're 35? All right. So we look at it now. So we have a simultaneous equation like this now. 2x plus 3y equal 13, and at the same time 3x plus 2y equal 12. They must say to you, what can x be and what can y be so that these two things are true? First step. Label the equation. Equation 1 and equation 2. See that? Everybody see that? Yes, sir. Good. The next thing you're going to do is that you are going to look now for find a way to make them two of them things be equal. What I want you to do is always multiply both equations. You don't have to do that, you know. But that is the way for less likely make a mistake. See? So we have the thing here now. So we come now and say, all right, you're going to multiply equation, hey, eyes on the board. Yeah. Multiply equation 1 by the first number in equation 2. And multiply equation 2 by the first number in equation 1. Are you seeing that? Yeah. The first number in equation 1 is what? The first number in equation 2 is what? 3. You see it? Therefore, (6x) see that? You're going to call this see that? Yeah. Everybody understand that so far? Good. Now if you realize here, this and this is the same. 6x, 6x. You see that? And this is the same. Are you seeing that so far? Sorry. This and this is the same. This and this is not the same. And this is not the same. So therefore, we're going to subtract equation 4 from equation 3. This is why we subtract it. Huh? Subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. Now, equation 3, 6x minus 6x. Give you 0. 6 minus 6. 0. So I'm going to have to write that. 9 minus 4. 39 minus 24. So right here, it implies that 5y equal 15. You see that? So therefore, y equal 15 divided by 5. See that? All right. This and this are the thing what we get, not true? We are calling the top one equation 1, and we are calling the next one equation 2. We want to find a way to make one of the things them disappear. Either the x or the y, because we can't solve x and y at the same time. You get what I say? If we can't go talk to 2 girls at the same time, they're going to say, what? You take off your eat that though. So I have to come and tell one, say, go to the bathroom and go talk to the next one. So we are trying to find a way to send one guy bathroom, so I have to look who drink the most. Because the one they are more likely want people. Not true? So I come and say, multiply this by the first number in this, and multiply this by the first number in this. You see? So we multiply equation 1 by the first number in equation 2, and we multiply equation 2 by the first number in equation 1. You see that? Now, when you multiply equation 1, you're going to get 3 times 2x. You see it? Plus 3 times 3y plus equal 3 times 13. You see that? When you multiply this by 2, you get 2 times 3x plus 2 times 2y equal 2 times 12. I call that equation 3 and equation 4. You see that? Now, when you look upon them, you see the x's are the same. So we can get rid of that. We can send the x's go bathroom so we can chop to y. You see what I say? So I say x, how can I get rid of 2 positive x's? By minusing them from one another, you see it? But suppose this was a minus x. I'd have to go add, you see it? I'd have to say 6 plus minus 6 to give me back 0. But you are 2 positive 6, then me say 6 minus 6, give me back. You see? Now, if me go minus the x's, me have to minus everybody. You pray? So that is how me say, that gives 0, so x disappear, go in the bathroom. So me go run in pan y now, get our number and send her a little ping. You see what I say? Yeah. So we come to now, we say 9y minus 4y give you what? And 39 minus 24 give you what? So therefore now we start find out our information. Find out our credential. You see what I say? Do you have a boyfriend? She said, no, she don't have a boyfriend. So I say, all right, how me I go find out by herself? Because she don't run her friend them, and 5 of them there. When I friend them ugly, she block me. You know them ugly friend they ever block you? Yeah. So me have to separate her now from the flock. You understand me? So now me say, since 5y equal 15, then what is y by itself? You see that? Now 5y is 5 times y. It have to come over here as the opposite, which is an opposite function. What's the opposite function of multiply? So it come over here as a divide 5. You see? So y equal 3. You see what I say? So I get in now and I have fear number and everything. But my grand never tell me about bird in the hand. You hear them say bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush? No, sir. Eh? We're a whole heap in the bush. But 2 me have a bird in the cub. It is worth another bird in the cub. So I say, all right, I need to get X now. So I say to her, so come. Since you there round on the bar, I go carry you go somewhere else now. Because I can't go back at the bar now, not true. I have to go up on the dance floor now. Go talk to the one with the gun in the bathroom. You see? So I go say then, if y equal 3, it implies that we can put y in any one of these equations at 3. You see? It implies that 2x plus 3 bracket 3, because y equal 3, equal 13. It implies that 2x plus 6 equal 13. Now this 6 have a plus relationship with the x. So I have to carry it over here so with the opposite relationship, which is what? Minus. So 2x equal to 13 minus 6. You see that? See that? So therefore, 2x equal to what? What? A 9. 3 3s are 9. So 2x equal 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 equal what? So 2x. So x now, this 2 here have a multiply relationship with the x. So that means it comes as a divide relationship. So that means x equal 2. So you come over here, so now you say A and S, x equal 2 and y equal 3. You see that? Now if you want to test it out now, let's test the next one. What x equal? X equal what? 2. Y equal what? So that means that 3 2 6 plus 2 3 6 equal 12. You see that? Do it up here so now. 2 2 is 4 plus 3 3 is 9 equal 13. So your answer right. Straight simple. Done. Nice look at 8 marks. And 2 girl. You see? So you see if you didn't know simultaneous, you could have known if you look 2 girls at one party. But you never know it. I will teach you to know. You see? No one more? Simple. You don't have to write it because remember it's a company DVD. The DVD, them, some of them dep online already, you know. So you can go up on YouTube and watch them. Huh? No, I'm going to go on a DVD separate. Yeah, if I go buy a DVD player. You don't know. What do they know? MP3? I don't have no money for that. Yeah, see good? Eh? Learn to write for what? I have secretary? Y is y square. Why would I write y? Eh? Y pre. Y pre. My son, that you know. World boss. Yeah. You can live no. Fresh every day and such. You can live. Step 1. Step 1. Label me equation. Y pre. Step 2. First number in equation 2. What is that? X is a number. It's 1x. So just don't write 1x. And this times what? Why? Three x plus 4y equal 11. Equation what that? And then what? 21y. 45. You have to multiply everything in here by 3. You see that? So you have to subtract SUBT RACT equation 4 from EQ3. 3x minus 3x. Give you back 0. All you have to say to yourself, 3x, x is a mango. 3 mango minus 3 mango. Give you no mango. You know see that? See that? 4y minus 21y. Give you what? What? 4 minus 21. Minus 17y. You see that? 11 minus 45. Minus 34. When you get something like this, 11 minus 45, you just come and put a, you see, for a minus a bigger number from a little number, you put a bracket. Put a minus, bracket, 45 minus 11. You just turn it around, you see it? 45 minus 11. You see the negative? You see it? Simple. You understand that, youth? So we come to now, boom. That means then, y equal to minus 34 divided by minus 17, though. Not true? Why minus 17? Because I have to carry the whole thing. You see that? Now that means that y equal what? Must be positive too because the signs are the same. When dividing and multiplying, if the signs are the same, the result is positive. If the signs are different, negative. Thank you. So this is what? Negative, and this is what? Negative. So this is the same. So it must give back positive 2. You see that? When we clean, we look simple. You gotta let them know. Fresh every day and such. If y equal 2, it implies, which one you want to work it in? That 3x plus 4 bracket 2 equal 11 because y equal 2, so we have to put back y for. You see that? It implies that 3x plus 8, it implies that 3x equal 11 minus 8, because it's the plus 8 go over as an opposite relationship. It implies that 3x equal 3, implies that x equal 3 divided by 3, because this come over as a divide relationship. It implies that x equal 1. ANS, x equal 1 and y equal 2. X equal what? And y equal what? 1 times 1, 1 plus 7 times 2, 14, 1 plus 14, 15. Eh? Answer of x equal 1 and y equal 2. 3 2s, 3 1s, 3 plus 4 2s, 8. 8 and 3, 11. See that? See that? Ready again? You see how CXC easy? Like a fat cheesy. Ready? Watch one now. Step 1. Multiply by 4, multiply by 5. $20x plus 12y equal 4 times 29, that are 80 plus 4 9, that are 20 plus 100, that are 60, 116. 20x, 35y, 185. All right, watch this now. When you analyze this, you see, say down here so y them bigger than up here so, and down here so bigger than up here so. So you see, most time, me just change around and subtract equation 3 from equation 4. You want to do that? Yeah, you can do that too. You can, any one equation them you can subtract. But true, me don't want to do mix up. We just always do subtract 4 from 3. But you can equally subtract 3 from 4. Which one do you want to do? Eh? Two of them are get the same answer. You know? Subtracting. The one if you get versed in the maths, you just do anyone you want. EQ3 from EQ4. So that means a 20 minus 20, 35 minus 12. You see it? Eh? 35 minus 12. 185 minus 116. What's that one, Niagara? $69 over 23. If y equal 3, it implies, which one you want to work it in? 1 or 2? 1? 5x plus 3 bracket 3 equal 29. 5x plus 9 equal 29. Equal 29 minus 9. 20. ANS, x equal 4 and y equal 3. Carry it up here so now. 4, y equal 3. 5 4 is 20 plus 3 3 is 9, 29. 4 4 is 16 plus 7 3 is 21, 16 and 21, 37. Answer right. See that? Huh? All right, now watch this now. Now go on and kind of bright, eh? So get one. Soon go to one for yourself. All right, minus 3y plus 4x equal 1. 3y plus x equal 19. Got through it. Step 1. No. Step 1. Come man, eyes on the board, man. When I tell you if you don't do it. Step 2. Multiply. All right, good. You have to carry the whole number here. See it? So one a 3, one a negative 3. See that? Good. All right. So we come now. This is our minus 9y plus 12x. And this is our minus 9y. Negative times positive, you give up minus. Eh? Yes. And then this is our minus 3x equal minus 57 that? Want to see that? What is the first number here? What kind of 3? What's the first number here? So you're going to multiply equation 2 by the first number in equation 1, which is what? And you're going to multiply equation 1 by the first number in equation 3, which is what? Good. So therefore, 3 times negative 3, because the signs are different. 3 times positive 4, positive 12, because the signs are the same. Now positive 3 this, and positive 40. 3 times positive 1, positive 3, 3 times positive 1, because the signs are the same. You understand that? Come down here so now. Negative 3 times positive 3y, because the signs are different. Negative 3 times positive 1x, because the signs are different. Negative 3 times positive 19, because the signs are different. So once the sign different, it does write negative and they just multiply normal. Or write negative and divide normal. Once the signs are the same, I write positive and just multiply normal. Or positive and divide normal. You see that? We now say that again. We say that every day. So we come here so now. What is going to make this cancel this? So we have to do what now? Subtracting. Watch this. 9, negative 9 minus negative 9 is equal to negative 9 plus 9 is equal to 0. You see that? Everybody see that? So, subtracting, which one you subtract? 4 from 3? This and this cancel. 12 minus minus 3. No, go over your rough work paper. 12 minus minus 3 give 12 plus 3 equal 15. You know see that? You see that, sir? 12 minus positive 3 equal 12 minus 3 equal 9. Are you understanding? You understand? Good. 3 minus minus 57. Yes, yeah, minus, see there? 3 minus, because we're subtracting, minus 57. You go over a rough work paper. 3 minus minus 57 equal 3 plus 57. Yeah. 15y, right? $15 is 60. You see? Huh? Y X, sorry. Huh? Y get cancelled out. Everybody see that so far? X equal 4, it implies that 3y plus 4 equal 19. 3y equal 19 minus 4. 15 over 3 Everybody see that? X equal 4, y equal 5. Put in this. 3, 5, 15 plus 4 equal 19. Minus 3 times 5, that's minus 15. Plus 4 times 4, that's positive 16. So minus 15 plus 16 equals 16 minus 15 equal 1. See that? Last one. Before we get one fair. 5 bills. All right. Now look on this now. If you realize X is not over X and Y is not over Y, you have to rearrange it first to get X over X and Y over Y. You get me? So therefore, this implies 2x minus 2y equals 6. And then you rearrange this one, x plus 3y equals 7. You see that? Now suppose we rearrange the top one. You'd have to carry it to be minus 2y plus 2x equals 6. And then you come and say 3y plus x equals 7. You see that? The entire thing have to go. You see it? So this is a plus 2x. You see it? So therefore we say minus 2y plus 2x. You see it? Equals 6. You see it? Any one of them can rearrange, right? But I want to rearrange the x. Let me tell you right now. So we say 2x minus 2y equals 6. X plus 3y, because it's a positive 3y, equals 7. And then let's do it same way. Equation 1, equation 2. Times 1, times 2. 2x minus 2y equals 6. 2x plus 6y equals 14. 3, 4. Subtracting. What we are subtract? 3 from 4. EQ 3 from EQ 4. So we come to 2 that cancel out. 6 minus 2. Put a minus sign right there, so in a middle. So you know, so when I say 6 minus 2. You see that? I span the board. You want me to sing a song for you? Eyes on the board. 6 minus 2. That give you what? Or if you give, do it in your rough work. Do it in a rough work. 6 minus 2 equals 6 plus 2 equal 8. The man owe you 6. You lend him 2 more. How much you owe you? 8. Just write it up on the rough work. You can't get it wrong. Six minus positive 2. Give you 6 minus 2. Give you 4. You see that? 6 plus minus 2. Give you 6 minus 2. Give you 4. Want to realize that, sir? When the sign them different, it turn it in a negative. When the sign them same, it turn it in a positive. You know, see logics. You see that? Yes, Papa. All right, so we come now, boom, bang, bang. So it's a 6 minus 2, 8y, 14 minus 6, y equal 8 over 8, y equal 1. If y equal 1, it implies that 2x minus 2 bracket 1 equals 6. Implies that 2x minus 2 equals 6. It implies that 2x equals 6. So now y, no, so let me say, oh, if y equal 1 minus, so that means that plus 2, no, because it's a minus 2, cover that as a plus. So that means that 2x equal 8 implies that x equal 8 over 4 implies that x equal 2. X equal 2 and y equal what? 1? Eh? Oh, sorry. 8 over 2. 4. X equal 4. 2 4s minus 2 1s. 8 minus 2. 4 plus 3. Correct. They want to name $1,000. They want to name money pull up. Money pull up selector. The one can't tell me, nah, I get about no light. Nobody beg me no light if you have your own lighter. Couldn't just give man a light. Man told me that. X minus 2 over 3 plus y minus 1 over 4 equal 13 over 12. Oh, okay, I free this. Just apply the logics, man. Apply the logics. Three plus y. Ready? All right, now let's look how it is so simple. And that does logics. All right, now. What does this look like? Fraction. So that means if you want to get rid of a fraction denominator, you multiply it by the LCM. So we come and say, simplifying equation Huh? Simplifying equation 1. Now, these are the denominators. So I want to find the LCM. How to find LCM? LCM of 3, 4, and 12. We said 3 over 4 crisscross. What's the smallest fraction that can be? 3 over 4. So we said 3 times 4. 3 times 4. 12. Put it over the next one. 12. Smallest that this can be. 1 over 1. Why? 1 over 1. 1 times 12. 1 times 12. That means that the LCM is? All right, so we're going to multiply. This implies x minus 2 over 3 plus y minus 1 over 4 equal 13 over 12 times 12. So that's going to be now 3 into 12. 3 into 12. All right. Since you're not afraid of that, come so now. 12. Do it this way. 3 into 12. 4, and you multiply by what's above? X minus 2. You see that? Eh? Yeah, these are 2. 4 into 12. Y minus 1. 12 into 12. 1 times bracket 13. 4x minus 8 plus 3y minus 3 equal to 13. See that? So therefore, 4x plus 3y minus 8 minus 3 equal 13. 4x plus 3y minus 11 equal 13. 4x plus 3y equal 13 plus 11. 4x plus 3y equal, what that? 24. Next one. Simplifying. Now, if it was a regular fraction, you'd have put back the 12, right? But we have to take out that. We just multiply it by the LCM, you see? Huh? Yeah. So we now put back the 12, eh? EQ2, not true. What's the LCM there? 6? All right. See, true, I don't want to get I'm afraid I don't know. All right, I'm going to show you something. I don't want to get confused and put back this over 12. So I'm going to show you another style. Simplifying equation 2. What is the LCM? Oh, you know? 2 over 3, crisscross. 2 over 3, 3, 2, 6. Put that over 6, crisscross, 1 over 1, 6. Not every time it will go so that I can know is that. So we come so now. 6 are the LCM, right? Yeah. Come so. 2 minus x over 2, 6 plus 3 plus y over 3, 6 equal 11 over 6, 6. See that? 6 times 6. Don't put up by top here, so because it might look like I said to the power of 6. Put that aside, you see it? You see it? Understand? If you put this like this, it means x to the 6th power. If you put it like this, it means x times 6. Ready? So what comes now? 2 into 6. So it will come and end up have 3 bracket 2 minus 6. You see that? 2 minus x. Everybody see that? Yes. Plus 3 into 6. 2 bracket 3 plus y. Equal 6 into 6. 1 bracket 11. 3 twos. Minus 3x. Plus 2 3's. Plus 2y. Equal 11. Minus 3x plus 2y minus plus 6 equal 11. Minus 3x plus 2y plus 12 equal 11. Minus 3x plus 2y equal 11 minus 12. Minus 3x plus 2y equal minus 1. Done. Just a start. This implies EQ 1. Sorry, this implies, what's EQ1 again? 4x plus 3y equal 24, EQ1, and minus 3x plus 2y equal minus 1, EQ2. Now we reach a simultaneous. It's about 15 marks. About 15. Huh? Huh? What do you mean? You know, say I done already. Multiply by minus 3, multiply by 4. Come now. Minus 12x plus, sorry, minus 9y minus 72. Why? Why all them become minus? These are minus and them are plus. Signs are different, answer is negative. Come now, 4 times minus that. 4 times positive 2y. 4 times minus 1. What kind of 4? Oh, if it be positive. This is a positive 4, this is a minus 1. This and this cancel out. Which are now minus? This is 3. Oh, now minus 3 from 4. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. Eight minus 9. 8 minus 9 equal 8 plus 9 equal 17. So we come down and say positive 17 minus 4 minus 72 equal to minus 4 plus 72. Huh? Equal to minus bracket 72. Sorry. Equal to 72 minus 4 equal to 68. Watch it. minus 4. Shower shirt, watch it. Minus 4 minus 72. Put that in a calculator. Shortcut draw blood. How much you get? What? Positive 68. Carry a calculator come. Carry it come. Yeah. 200 come. Correct. Huh? No, carry it come and me show no. Come. You have to put negative. Where minus sign on this thing? No man, this is not minus sign. This you have a negative positive. Alright, so negative 4. Negative 4 minus negative. Our negative what? 72. See? But if you do it the way you look on it, negative 4 minus 72 equal negative 4. Signs are the same, plus 72. Then you can turn it around. Plus 72 minus 4. See? This is a plus 72 minus 4 equals 68. Yeah, wait, how you going so far? So 17y equal what? 68 positive. You see it? So y equals 68 over 17. Y equal what? So you see, if you don't work with a rough work paper, you can't get it wrong. Just write down one and say when you see it come out. Come now. If y equal 4, it implies, which one we are going to use? Negative 3. That negative 3x plus 2 bracket 4 equal minus 1. This implies, I'll be talking me here now. That negative 3x plus 8 equal minus 1. Negative 3x equal minus 1 minus 8. Huh? What? Or it will be negative 17. 8 minus 9. I'll keep saying using a rough work paper. 8 minus 9. That gives you 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 are negative 17? Sure. 1 minus 1 minus 8. Y equal 4 and x equal 3. All right, so if x equal 3, 3 minus 2, that's going to be 1 over 3, plus, where y equal? Where y equal? So that's a 1 over 3, and 4 minus 1, that's a 3 over 4. Now work it in here, so. 1 over 3 plus 3 over 4, that'll give me 12, 4 plus 9 equal 4 and 9, 13 over 12. Is it 13 over 12 it's supposed to equal? So my answer is perfecto mundo. But, may I show you it's simple. Shh. Come again now. Shh. Shh. Oi. Yo. Watch this. Pinky. Eye on the board. Yo. Yes. Sit down up. You know you say AC. It's a sonat. Eh? I heard it now. Watch it now. The first thing, logics. The easiest way for work on maths is if nothing is below the line. Not true? Yeah. So the first thing you have to do is get rid of what is below the line. How do you get rid of what is below the line? No. You multiply it by what is below. For example, 2 over 1, how me get rid of, 1 over 2, how me get rid of the 2? By multiplying by 2. So you get 2 over 1, cancel, you see? You see that? So therefore, each of these I want to multiply by itself. But a one number I want to multiply all three by. That is why you go for your LCM, because you want to find what is common to all three. Are you understanding what I'm saying? What is common to all three? The lowest common multiple. You free? So I'm going to multiply this by 12. Multiply equation 1 by 12. And multiply equation 2 by 6. You see that? See that? So therefore, I simply do it the way so you could understand. So, but you know why you put back the 12. You get me? So, when you come so now, boom, you just rub out the 12 when you're done. So you say to yourself then 3 into 12, you just make it simple like when you do fraction, you see? See it? So equal to this. You see that? So this proves you know if you expand your bracket. This. Then now you have a group like terms. Is there any other x? Is there any other y? So we have a group letter with letter. And group no letter with no letter. You see if you have x and x, you have group x and x first. You see that? So I carry my 4x and my 3y and I end up have them two y minus 8 minus 3. When you have minus a front and minus a middle, you add the two of them and put back your minus. Only when you have minus, follow minus, it turns positive. But when you have minus a front and minus a middle, you add the two of them and put back your minus. So what there? So minus a front and minus a middle. So 8 and 3, put back my minus. You see that? Now this now, him a par with the wrong crew. Because him not have no letter. Where am I do over here, sir? Him broke and pauperize him want par rich people. Can't afford it. Him have to go over a broke part. You know see? Because him have spend money where him not have and turn thief. You want him turn thief? You want police are going to shot him. Eh? Who get first get longer rest? Oh. Anyway, me don't want him to turn so I carry him over here. So him come over here now and turn 24, you see? So now you have letter, and you have numbers only, you see? This now start look like an equation that we can work with. You see that? I do the same thing for the one here, I just do it in a different style, but if you don't want to do it the way here, easier, so you see it? Come down. So I'm right back to where I start at. Because this is now the new equation. This is equation 1 in a simplified way. And this is equation 2 in a simplified way. You see? So I'm going to work it out after that. Say it easy. You learn all this already. You learn fraction, you learn LCM, you learn distributive law. You learn all that already. No. I don't want money for nothing. All right then. Since you don't go like on the back. Money, pull up selector. Nobody beg me. She dip on crack. Last one and then we move on to quadratic equation, right? Eh? Nobody beg me no light if you have your own lighter. First person to get this perfectly right. Perfectly right. Me not going to book already. I don't have money for going to no more book. Win the money and go and get a book. Simple $500 for the one. Tell me the question again. Question. Do I need to simplify equation 1? So I was going to simplify equation 2. All right? So therefore, x over 5 minus y over 7 equal 27 over 35. What we have to do? Find the LCM of 5, 7, and 35. 5 over 7. Remember, this is our rough work paper, right? 5 over 7. 5 over 7. 35 over 35. 1 over 1. LCM equal 35. All right, now, look what I want to do now. So when I reach us up, I want to come, so boom, boom, times 35. See that? Everybody see that? And then want to go over to the rough work paper now. And you write back this now. X over 5 minus y over 7 equal 27 over 35. 35. 5 into 35. Bracket x minus 7 into 35. Bracket y equal 35 into 35. Bracket 27. Yeah, you can just carry this now. You see this way work out? You carry it back over here, so, and leave out the 35. You understand? I don't want to not put nothing and rub out and forget to rub out. Come on rough work and you only carry this here. You see that? You see that? Oi! On the board, man. So you come over here, so now you say 7x, tell me, minus 5y equal, no, sorry, carry back that, 7 bracket x minus 5 bracket y equal 27, 1 bracket 27. They say now 7x minus 5y equal 27. You see that? Everybody see that? Good. So then now, that being the case, it implies that x minus y equal 3 is equation 1 and 7x minus 5y equal 27 is equation 2. Everybody see that? You see that? Times 7 times 1. You see that? Everybody see that? 7x minus 7y equal 21. 7x minus 5y equal 27. Which one we are subtract? Subtracting equation, which one? 3 from EQ4. This are cancel. Go back over your rough work. Minus 5 minus 7. See, we look at minus sign here, so for remind me. Minus 5 minus 7. That means a minus 5 plus 7. That means a plus 7 minus 5. That means a that year what? What kind of 2? So that means that 2y equal 27 minus 21. 27 minus 21 are 48. Y equal 3. Who get that? Give them a round of applause. All right. If y equal 3, it implies, which one you want to put it in? Top one. Easier. It includes that, it implies that x minus 3 equal 3. X minus 3 equal 3. How you go? That means that x equal 3 plus 3. X equals 6. Or you get 0. Who write x there? You. Can't come up see. ANS x equals 6 and y equals. Can your book come let me see? Can your book come let me see?